Hello, this message is directed to the RSG Group and the CEOs of Gold's Gym, Mr. Danny Waggoner and Mr. Brian Warne. I apologize if I didn't get your names spelled or said correctly there. As you may know or may not know, I recently discovered a serious mold problem inside the sauna at the Daytona Beach location, and I believe that the same problem could be found not just in the men's locker room and men's sauna, but also in the ladies' locker room and ladies sauna. And I would say that since these owners of yours, these franchise owners, are actually own two locations, one in Ormond Beach, Florida, and one in Daytona Beach, Florida, I would say that these guys are in serious neglect of every one of your policies. Honestly, it shocks me that it has taken 7 days and I have yet to hear from anybody related to Gold's Gym. I filed with the Better Business Bureau, with the state, with the owners directly, and I have not even gotten a proper go pound sand from your company. Alright, this is not just a minor issue. It is a significant health hazard that puts the well-being of your members at risk. These conditions are unacceptable. Mold exposure can lead to severe health problems, including respiratory issues, allergies, and even long-term illnesses. As a member of this gym, or former member of this gym, I am appalled that such neglect exists in a facility meant to promote health and fitness. Mr. Waggoner and Mr. Warne, this situation requires your immediate attention. The RSG Group must take responsibility for the conditions in your gyms. It is your duty to ensure that all locations, not just Daytona Beach, are safe and clean for your members and guests. Today, I am sending this video to both the Governor of Florida and to the RSG Group headquarters. I am calling for strict regulations on mold in public spaces, especially in gyms where people go to improve their health. Being in Volusia County, Florida, one of the most heavily ridden places with elderly people, and knowing that at that very gym location, there are probably 100 elderly people that may have compromised immune systems, they do not belong anywhere in your building. Honestly, the whole building needs to be shut down, and the only reason that I haven't been effective so far is that there is no mandate in the state of Florida that protects its citizens from extreme mold in public spaces. I urge you, sirs, to take immediate action to rectify this issue. Mold should never be tolerated in any public space. And above all, at the gym, and above all, inside a 60 square foot area sauna that's boiling hot, where there's no air movement and it's just able to breathe endlessly and be inhaled into the lungs of every one of your members. I'm also asking that anyone who has experienced similar issues at this Gold Gym or any Gold Gym across the United States of America or other places, that they come forward and they share their stories. This morning on Nextdoor, one of the networks that protects local citizens here and across the states, a ex-employee came forward and they talked about how they quit Gold's Gym after they spent a period of time cleaning the Ormond Beach location here in Florida. She claimed that the mold was all over those saunas also, and that she was spraying bleach on it, which I believe is the wrong way to treat mold. But nonetheless, I appreciate her coming forward, and I believe in short order you will find that hundreds of people are going to come forward. So let's work together to ensure that Gold's Gym remains a place of health and safety, not a breeding ground for harmful mold. And thank you for your attention to this matter.